welcome to this course on program management focusing on execution, stakeholders, and governance. My name is Daniel Yeomans, and I will be your instructor for this course. I have played various roles in my career, including project and program manager, product manager, scrum master, and product owner. I am a college professor, corporate trainer, and subject matter expert at SkillUp Technologies. Why do you think program managers are essential? From coordinating various programs to ensuring that all program projects and components align perfectly with the company's strategic goals, they play a crucial part in driving organizational success. Program managers oversee the entire program lifecycle, from its initial definition to final closure, ensuring each project integrates seamlessly and supports the organizational objectives. So, if you are curious about a program manager's role and how they plan and execute projects, this course is for you. This course is part of the IBM Program Manager Professional Certificate and the Mastering Program Management Strategy to Certification program. It is open to anyone without any prior knowledge or specific prerequisites. However, if you're aiming for a Program Management Professional certification, we recommend some prior project management experience. This course is open to everyone, whether or not you have a degree. This course consists of 4 knowledge-packed modules. You will start your learning journey by tackling one of the most vital aspects of program management, stakeholder engagement. You will learn to identify and manage key stakeholders with various management tools and best practices that make this challenging task more manageable and impactful. A common quote is, "You can manage change, or it will manage you." This course will help you explore the program change requirements and how to manage them. You will discover the organizational maturity model to understand its impact on your firm's ability to manage change. You will also focus on getting the right program resources and budgeting wisely to keep your program on track. You will gain skills in financial and procurement planning. Along with this, you will understand various financial metrics and how to calculate them. You will uncover the essentials of program governance and explore how the PMI Code of Conduct shapes your approach to managing programs. Finally, you will complete a final project where you'll build a stakeholder register, create a program communications management plan, organize resources, and analyze key financial metrics. Then, to solidify your skills, you will test your knowledge with a final assessment. In addition, each module includes hands-on labs to help you apply and solidify the knowledge you gained from the lesson videos. From developing various management plans and assessing organizational maturity to ensuring ethical standards, these hands-on labs will provide you with a firm foundation for managing successful programs. You will now hear from program management experts as they introduce themselves, their current roles, and their respective companies. Hello, everyone. My name is Daniel Yeomans. I am currently also employed as a course developer for SkillUp Technologies.
Hi, my name is Kristen Paulson, and I'm the Director of Customer Success for SkillUp Technologies.
Hi, my name is Paul Party, and I'm currently with the SkillUp organization, focusing on subject matter expertise for courseware.
Hello, my name is Sasha Pass. I am a program manager at Shelter Insurance.
Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Rajeshri Murthy. I am a seasoned business professional with almost 15 years of experience in program management in various industries.
So there is a lot to cover here. To get the most from this course, make sure to go through the videos and readings, attempt all quizzes, complete all the hands-on labs, and use the discussion forum to connect and collaborate with your peers. We're glad you're with us, and we're eager to support you in your journey to advance your program management career.